Hello everyone, welcome back to our next topic on Tweezer, bottom and top. My name is Ujosi, the admin of CJ FOREX. Remember, we are under technical analysis. We have discussed under technical analysis different types of charts. We have discussed line chart. We have discussed bar chart. We have discussed candlestick chart. And we have discussed on the history of candlestick and different types of pattern of candlestick bodies. Now we are under different types of reversal pattern, and we have gone far to explain what is a reversal pattern of candle. And I did explain that a reversal candle is a candle that actually appears giving a signal that the market that either the main market is about to reverse, or there is the strength of the running market is weak and the opposite market is about to take over. So these candles passes a message to us, and that is one of the candles we are discussing about now. We have discussed about engulfing candle. Now we are on that tweezer reversal pattern candle. A tweezer is also like a reversal pattern. It's another reversal pattern, not like, it's another reversal pattern that enables you to discover that market is about to reverse or it's about to change in the other direction. So before we go on, I'm going to make a definition on it, and then I will explain it, and I will go to a live chart to show you a scenario that have to deal with tweezer, top and bottom. Now, on the slide, I'm going to give you a definition. Tweezer, top and bottom. This type of candle pattern is usually spot after an extended uptrend or downtrend, indicating that a reversal will soon occur. There are two types of tweezer pattern, tweezer bottom and tweezer top. Notice how the candle formation look just like a pair of tweezer. Amazing, right? Okay, now if you look clearly on here, you will see that this is tweezer bottom. Tweezer bottom appears at the bottom of a downtrend. And when you see a tweezer bottom, it indicates that the market is about to reverse. And these two tweezer bottom, they are twins candle. And the first candle will appear in the color of the downtrend. I'm telling you about the tweezer bottom. Then the second candle will appear on the color of the expected buying market. Okay. Now, when you see when you see a tweezer appear, like this is a tweezer, you can see where I'm rolling my candle, my cross set. This is a tweezer. And once you spot it, after it finished forming, the next candle that is higher than that tweezer should be your entry point. And this is the candle. So you can set your entry point here and set your stop loss here. Measure your distance 1:1. If the distance from here to here is 50 pips, then you measure that again 50 pips ahead and set your take profit. You will see the market will trigger you. Now, this tweezer is a reversal pattern. So remember, tweezer bottom is meant for a downtrend. When you see tweezer bottom, what should come into your mind is market is about to reverse. Now, let's talk about tweezer top. This is a tweezer top. Tweezer top appears at the top of an uptrend. It indicates that the buyer's strength has exhausted and the seller's strength is about to take over the market. Now, the first candle that formed the tweezer, the first tweezer must be with the color of the already trend, while the second candle, which is the tweezer, the second candle, this one will have the color of expected downtrend. And your targeted entry point and your stop loss, here should be your entry point, here should be your stop loss. And you target this distance from here to here is 50 pips. You target from the entry point to the next 50 pips and you set your take profit, okay? And that is it. Now let's go on the right up here. Is the first candlestick is the same as the overall trend. If the price is moving up, then the first candle should be bullish. I just like what I explained now. The second candlestick is opposite the overall trend. If the price is moving up, then the second candle should be bearish. The shadow of the candles should be of equal or near equal. Okay, sometimes tweezers might not have the same look. They might, maybe the second one might have a longer tail, but once you look at them, they have the same shape, but they might not be the same height. They might not be the same height. So when you look at it, you should know what tweezer. Sometimes you are expecting all of them to be together, the same size of height. No, sometimes the other one might be longer than the other. But when you see the two of them at a particular level, you should know which one is tweezer and which one is. So it's rare to see the one that form exactly the same height, everything. So sometimes the other one might have a longer tail or depending on this. But when you see them, you will know which one, that this is a tweezer. Okay, now let's go to a live chart where I will show you some example. I just made a decision to find tweezer, okay, and I discovered that I've seen one. I've seen tweezer here. Now this is a tweezer. These two candle, this red, white, this one represent the buying candle, while this one represent the selling candle. Now look at it here. I'm going to show you the tweezer. I don't know if this right up will work. I think I should make a pen. I want a pen. Sorry, I'm just trying to get a pen out of this. How do I get out the pen with this slide? It's okay. Let's use. Let me be doing it. I believe you understand. I cannot see any pen. So now this is a tweezer. This particular two twins. This is the color. I told you this is called tweezer top. Tweezer top is a bearish tweezer. It tells you that the buyers have exhausted their trend and the sellers are about to take over. You can see clearly that when these tweezers are formed, they buy. This is the stop loss. Okay, this is your take profit, your stop entry point. The candle that is below the most recent candle should be here. But if you notice that the candle is very long, I don't think you should consider the candle is too long. But okay, it's okay. Now you see this is your entry point. This is your stop loss. Okay. Then how many pips that make up this tweezer bottom? Top, sorry. From my entry point to my stop loss should be this is 30 pips, 30, okay, 29 pips. Okay, I should target the next 29 pips. Remember, I told you that price reading points, not in pips. So what we have here is 29 pips. Okay, I have to put my take profit. This is my take profit level. You can see it, and the market got there. The market triggered. Okay, it later triggered. This is the candle that first triggered it, and the market was ranging, and later went down and hit your and it keep going down. You can see it went down. It keep going down again. Okay, it keep going down. Look at another tweezer again. Look at this tweezer. We have talked about tweezer tweezer top. Now this is tweezer bottom. This is another tweezer bottom. Okay, now I told you that sometimes they might not have the same shape. Okay, this is tweezer the tweezer that we are talking about, sometimes they might have different, but they are the once you see them, this one have the color of the selling candle, this one have the color of the buying candle. You look for the most significant bottom, which is this one. Now you can say, okay, this candle cannot be the former. They are just giving you a scenario. Okay, in a situation whereby there is this kind of move, don't consider this tweezer. Okay, but I'm giving you, this is a example. It's supposed to be, this one supposed to be the lowest peak here, because I can't use this one as my entry point and use this one as my stop loss. So let's look for a valid tweezer bottom and see if I can see any valid one, because you have done an example on tweezer top. I think we should look for example on tweezer bottom. If we see one, this reversal pattern always appears, it's not always, but they are regular. Once you can identify them, you are good to go. That's one thing with this reversal pattern. There are some reversal patterns that you cannot, they hardly come out. So before you see them, it takes a lot of time, but once they appear, you know that it will give you a lot of profit. Why some doesn't appear like that? They don't easily appear like that. I'm trying to get a tweezer bottom, the bullish tweezer. Okay, all the tweezers I'm seeing here, they have a swing that is higher, lower than them. This is another tweezer. This one is a tweezer. You can see this is a tweezer here, and you saw the market went down. This is a tweezer top. We are looking for tweezer bottom to see. So when you see a tweezer, you can easily identify them. So this is tweezer, this is tweezer. Okay, this is another one again. Are you seeing this one again? This is tweezer top. We mostly see tweezer top. It depends on the currency you are trading. Actually, it depends on the currency you are trading. If you are trading a currency that there are some currency that you always see tweezer, and it depends on time frame also. So we are looking for, I want to give a scenario on tweezer bottom. I want to see a valid one so that I can give you picture on how tweezer bottom looks like and how you can make good use of it when you see it coming. But with the help of tweezer top, you understand how the thing goes. Okay, let's use this one. I don't need to talk too much. I'm going to use this one. This is a tweezer bottom. Okay, I'm going to use the most significant top above. Okay, let me say, let's use this one. I've been looking for tweezer. This, let me use this too. So your stop loss should be here. Your entry point should be the most significant candle. Let's see it. It's okay. Okay, here. If the distance between your entry point and your stop loss is, let's calculate my entry point and my stop loss. How many pips? 26 pips. I should target 26 pips. Where is 26 pips? Okay, here is 26 pips. I've seen 26 pips. Here. Okay. Now you can see the market triggers. So the which candle that triggers this is the candle that triggered it, and it went up and hit your take profit one. So the more it keep going, the more. So this is a very simple way you can easily trade. You can use this way to trade other asset class, including boom, crash, crude. Once you see a reversal pattern, you just target 1:1. 1:1 is okay. Don't be too greedy. Don't be too greedy. Okay. You can use this as a beginner to help yourself. Once again, my name still remains. We just see the admin of CJ FOREX. Our next topic on a reversal pattern should be this is our next topic. We're going to be talking about evening star. Okay. Don't forget, my name still remains Kujosi, and if you find your way and enroll to our online academy, where you will learn and strategies and some advanced knowledge that will help you to become a better trader and assist your future, change your financial status. Find your way to enroll into our advanced training class. Thank you once again. My name still remains with Josie, the admin of CJ FOREX.